of the storm, calling out your name. Each tiny drop sings a lullaby as the world slows down and dreams come alive. Raindrops fall like whispered dreams, carrying hopes on silver streams, dancing softly on the ground. In every splash, new life is found. In the rhythm of the rain we find our way, hearts beating softly in the cloud of gray, holding on to moments where time stands still will. With every raindrop I can feel the thrill. Raindrops dancing on the windowpane, whispers of the storm calling out your name. Each tiny drop sings a lullaby as the world slows down and dreams come alive. Raindrops fall like whispering dreams, carrying hopes on silver streams, dancing softly on the ground. In every splash, new life is found. And the raindrops wash away all the doubts of yesterday. With every drop, a spark of light, turning shadows into bright. Wash away all the doubts of yesterday. With every drop, a spark of light, turning shadows into bright. The raindrops came dancing on the windowpane, whispers of the storm calling out your name. Each tiny drop sings a lullaby as the world slows down and dreams come alive. And dreams come in the rhythm of the rain we find our way, hearts beating softly in the cloud of gray, holding on to moments where time stands still will. With every raindrop I can feel the thrill, Let the raindrops wash away all the doubts of yesterday. With every drop a spark of light, turning shadows into bright.